Thank you for being there for me. You always have been. You were there for me at times in my past when I was scared and anxious. And during those times, you brought me a sense of comfort and grounding. Thank you for your beauty that reminds us of our own beauty. Thank you for the reminders that we all go through our own seasons, whether we are in a season of hibernation or blooming, and that it's natural and okay for us to retreat, to feel, to release, to grow, and then to bloom and shine. Thank you for being a constant in my life, for bringing me joy, for bringing me peace, for bringing me growth, for bringing me fun, and so much more. Thank you for being a catalyst for so many amazing things, for my intuition, for finding my purpose, for finding my voice. Thank you for all the ways in which you taught me so many lessons, like resiliency and courage and confidence. Just so many that I can't even name them all. Thank you for welcoming me back like an old friend when I lost my way for a while. Thank you for the signs you send to me to let me know that I'm on the right path, and for encouraging me to follow my dreams. Thank you for being a friend, a companion, a confidant. I honor you, I appreciate you, and I love you forever.